Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna refurbish some canoe seats. Nash is a good buddy of mine and he is always trading me good stuff, and he wants these refurbished. You can see the cane blew out here and this seat's totally blown right there. So that happens with these cane seats. They're beautiful but they blow out. And you can buy a canoe seat for about 25 bucks. But you can take your old wicker one and refurbish it for about 130 yourself. So let's do that. I bought my compressor and air tools at a yard sale for 75 bucks. The webbing, 3 rolls this size, was about 30 bucks, and then stainless steel staples were $40 on eBay. We've got 2-inch webbing here. And then Nash is a big NRS nerd, so I'm going to use some old NRS straps and try and use as many as I can on his seat here. And the last time I did this, I tried to get this cane out from the edges and it made a mess. I sanded it down, but this finish is nice. We don't need to sand this down, so I'm just going to leave that and cut around this edge. So we're just going to take it right coming across here with a nice knife, and we're gonna leave all this, just cover it with webbing. Alright, so now we're just gonna lay our pattern and make sure it looks aesthetically pleasing. Alright, scissors and a lighter just in case we fray any of those ends. We're wrapping the webbing all the way around the back because this is a lot more wood and we don't want the staples to puncture our butt. So just snip through there and burn the ends so they don't unravel on us. Alright, I've cut 2 pieces now. And before I cut them all, just gonna make sure I got the right length on both of them. Pretty dang spot on. We just want to make sure that this can get stapled in, because there are different diameters going down the seat. Looks good for all of them. So, looks like we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, possibly 7. Let's cut 6 and see what happens. There you go. 1 canoe seat done. Hope Nash likes it. It's a lot of blue. Alright, next seat. I think we're going green and black, because that's the colors we have. So that's the colors you get. There we go. 2 seats banged out. Let's go deliver them to Nash.
Nope, that's good. Whoa. What I think it is? Whoa. love them. Dude. What? Holy sh. These are dope.
Wow, Austin, those are amazing.
Yeah.
Let's go put them on.
Oh yeah, we gotta. I just left the tools from when we took the seats off. There we go, dude. Custom by Guide You Outdoors.
Steph, where's Nash?